What's going on, everybody? Jake B Casting is back. You guys probably seen in the last video I posted was probably my intro, my first intro, along with my logo and a quick fishing video. I'm finished with all that. I think it's time to go fishing. Hey everybody, so you guys finally see that I left the house and I am here by this little lake around the corner from my house. So pretty much not around the corner but down the street. You guys are familiar with the Bartlett area. Caught many bass here before. Let's hook up some baits and let's get our lines wet. See you guys on the water. Switching to my GoPro right about now. What's up, guys? So I'm all rigged up. I got crankbait and a crawdad. So we're basically gonna come out here and try to catch some. Got a couple baits behind me in my bag, but yeah, this is what it looks like, guys. Check it out. Looks pretty good, huh? Let's switch to my GoPro and let's see if we can lock down on some bass. There's some big ones in here, actually, yeah. So let's do it. So the water actually got high. So what I'm doing is just trying to get some movement going with this crankbait first. And there's one. There's one. Nice one. Woo! And we locked down on one. Nice bass. Nice little bass. Let's see if we can grab him out. There we go. Finally lock on one. Using the crankbait. See if we can find a few more. Let's move down just a little bit. Alright guys, so ooh, that sun. So one thing that bothers me is you know, we gotta definitely keep a clean environment around, not just around the city, but especially if you're fishing around the ponds, around the lakes. We try to keep it neat as possible, right? So things like this, I think we should grab and throw it away later instead of leaving it out, because it definitely can mess up. If it was to be all in the water, or if it was to get caught up on, you know, on these ducks and geese and all that, and all these birds out here, we definitely want to be aware of that. So, you know, you see fishing lines like this, make sure you guys grab it. Make sure you guys grab it and then just put it in a bag or your pocket, and then just definitely throw it away later. You know, that's just that way everything's clean, and you know, none of the birds out here or anything that goes in the water is dirty, and we can remain to keep fishing out here, you know. So yeah, just keep that in mind, you guys. Let's get back to fishing. Just something I saw right in front of me, and wanted to make aware of that, just you know, make the next time you guys go out fishing. So yeah, let's keep fishing, y'all. Oh, another one. Another one. You got off? You get off? Still on, still on. Still on. Let's go. Let's go. Number 2, baby. Number 2. Alright, got my second one. It's a dink, but it would do. Small one. It's number 2. Let's keep going. Basically, what I'm doing is slow reeling this crankbait here. Nice little sexy shad color. You can see the color. What I'm basically doing is slow reeling it, and then I'll like pop, and then I'll keep reeling, then I'll slow down, keep reeling, slow down for like a couple seconds, and I'll just keep reeling and burning it. After that, normally it will hit, sometimes it doesn't. You just gotta keep repeating it, and just. So let's put on this black and blue crawdad. Let's see what we can get out here. Fish something a little bit slower. I'm mainly just fishing this side. There's a lot of geese in over there. You don't really want to go near them. Right over there, if you guys can see, but I'll probably work my way around this way and see how it goes. Start recording now. I just did my next cast, and it's gonna be a big one. No. Alright, so it's been exactly almost about an hour since I caught that last one. Yeah, we're gonna keep pushing though, because it is exactly 6:52, and I've been out here for almost 2 hours. And what we're gonna do is pretty much throw on this top water. I had one on a jerkbait and I missed it, so I think it's this time. Sun's down, water's calm. We're gonna throw on this top water and see what we can do. Hopefully we can lock down some big ones. Oh, there's a big one. There's a big one, guys. No, it came off. Came off. God. Look at that scale. Look at that scale. No. Try it again. Just keep trying. Oh, I missed it. I missed it. Oh, I know y'all saw that on camera. I know y'all saw that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No. 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 Stay over there. Stay over there. It's crazy. So, another hour has passed and I've yet to get a bite. Still not giving up. I still have enough sunlight. I'm gonna try out some more crankbaits. Looks like crankbaits has been the main thing that's been hitting so far. So a lot of moving baits. So I'm gonna give it another shot. Not giving up just yet, but I might have to soon. So let's switch up to a little bluegill color, square bill. Probably like 4 to 5 feet in depth. So we're gonna give it a shot. If not, that might be in it a bit. Alright, well that was a wrap, folks. And definitely it failed to get the third fish. Struggling. So it's kind of late. I see a lot of minnows there. There's a reason why there's busting right here, but I just can't manage to catch them. But until next time, you guys stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button please, and follow me on Instagram at JakeBCasting. See you guys later. Peace.